Must be the season of the witch. Must be the season of the witch.
Good boy. I'll be back tomorrow. You know, sometime she's gonna start training you. Training? For what? You know, she's gonna put a saddle on your back, a bit in your mouth, and she's gonna ride you someday. I don't understand. You are her horse, and she's going to get on your back and ride you. Alright, boy, this is a halter. Now, I'm just going to let you sniff it and get used to it at first. I'm gonna open the door. Okay, come in. Easy boy. Hey boy. Hi, Chansey. Now, I'm just gonna put the halter on your face. Easy. Alright, boy. Come on out of the stall. Alright, now let's go to the arena. Easy, boy, easy. There you go. Good boy. There we go, Chansey. Now stay there. I just gotta do something. This isn't so bad. I mean, it's not much fun, but it could be worse. Oh my, I spoke too soon. Easy, boy, easy. It's just a horse blanket. See, it's not that bad. It's soft. Easy. It's just me. It's not that bad. Well, I guess it's just fabric. Just gonna put it on. Yeah, see, it's not that bad. Good boy. Well, I guess it's simple. It really isn't that bad. Hey, Chansey, I brought a saddle for you, boy. Oh, I don't know what that is. Not so sure about that. Let you sniff it. See? Now I'm just gonna... See? Just like the saddle blanket. It's not that bad. Guess not. There we go, Chansey boy. See? It's not that bad. So, how was your first training session? Not that bad. Yes, Chansey. Oh my. There you go, Chansey. Good boy. I don't like the bit.
When I look out my window, many sights to see.
Good boy, Chansey.
And when I look in my
Now it's time for
window,
your first ride.
so many different people to be, that it's strange, so strange. You got to pick up every stitch. You got to pick up every stitch. You got to pick up every stitch. Must be the season of the witch. Must be the season of the witch, yeah. Must be the season of the witch. When I look over my shoulder, what do you think I see? Summer cat looking over.
Good boy. We've reached our goal in only 2 months. Go back to your stall now.
And he's strange. Sure is strange.
Wait, I forgot something in the arena. I'm just gonna tie you up here for a second.
You got to pick up every
Well, are you gonna tell me your name or what?
beatniks
Hi, I'm Chansey. I'm Diana. I kind of want... Come on, boys, time to go now. Oh, see ya. See ya.